Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a construction helmet. First, let's get familiar with the essential parts of your helmet. You'll find the sturdy outer shell, which protects your head, and inside, the suspension system. This system includes a headband, crown straps, and a nape strap, all designed for a secure fit. Don't forget the chin strap for added stability, and often, there are accessory slots for extra gear. Now, let's get that suspension system perfectly fitted. Start by adjusting the headband using the ratchet or pin lock mechanism at the back to match your head's circumference. The helmet should sit snugly, about 2 to 3 fingers above your eyebrows, without wobbling. Next, adjust the crown straps to control how deep the helmet sits, ensuring a comfortable and secure feel. With the suspension set, it's time for the chin strap. Fasten it securely under your chin, making sure it's snug but not uncomfortably tight. A good test is to fit one finger between your chin and the strap, then open your mouth wide to check if the helmet pulls down. Finally, if you need them, attach accessories like earmuffs, face shields, or headlamps to the helmet's universal accessory slots. Before every use, perform a quick safety check. Look for any cracks, dents, or damage to the shell or suspension system. Replace any compromised parts immediately. Confirm the helmet fits securely without excessive movement and that your vision remains unobstructed. For maintenance, clean your helmet with mild soap and water and store it away from direct sunlight or extreme temperatures to prolong its lifespan, typically 2 to 5 years.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.